Hello everyone, welcome to Throttless Pit Stop. Today we are going to have a complete discussion about SMK Stellar helmets, which will be a similar 2 minutes video. So first let me tell you about something. What to look for in a helmet. Basically you need to look into the certification of the helmet, and then the fit of the helmet, and then the comfort of the helmet. So starting with SMK Stellar, if you are on a budget helmet, say if you are using an Indian branded helmet, and then if you want to switch over to a better imported helmet, I think you should firstly consider SMK Stellar. So this is the Stellar model. This is priced at rupees 4,100, and this is a ECE certified helmet, and you get a quick release strap. It's not a D-ring, it's a quick release strap. And secondly, there is the spin lock visor and the anti-fog film. The main highlight feature of this helmet is that many helmets that even on the price range of about 5,000 or 6,000 do not provide the anti-fog film layer inside, but whereas in SMK you have this feature, which is absolutely fantastic. So it's like a power packed helmet with almost all the features that you get. And to the texture and quality of the helmets, the SMK helmets are available in matte finish as well as in glossy finish. The matte, as in you will not find a very rough matte kind of a finish on SMK Stellar, whereas these are very soft matte, where the maintenance is much easier than compared to other models that you find that have matte finish. And as usual, the glossy helmets, these are also pretty very decent. And if you're looking for a photo shoot and those kind of things, then I think you should go for a matte finish, because you will not face this kind of a flashback coming to you on photo shoot. So I think the matte ones do support it much better. To add a point here, we are also the official dealers of Stutz and SMK helmets, so we'll be able to surely assist you on all the other services that the company provides for their customers. So talking about the shape of this helmet, this is completely an aerodynamic supported helmet. So when you look at this point, you will find the air passing through this way, and which will completely avoid the turbulence of the helmet on the long ride. And also to mention, this is one of the best helmets for pillion riders. If you are a pillion rider, and you will know how important a helmet is, and coming to that point, this is one of the best helmet for pillion riding also. So coming to the air vents, you have two air vents on top here and two air vents at the back. So this is for the inflow and this is for the outflow. And coming to the chin strap, this helmet comes with a chin strap, so there is a bit of safety here also. If you are using an L size helmet on another brand, definitely you should need to take a size lesser than that, because the SMK paddings and the cushions and the interiors of the helmet are designed in such a way that it has a bit of space. So people who have a slightly XL size and L2XL size should take a size lesser than that. Only then you will go for the sizing. So these are some of the collections that we have at our store, and SMK is one of the brand that focus more on the graphics also, apart from the quality and comfort. So you have various levels of graphics on SMK Stellar. To start with, this is their 2020 graphics, which is the graffiti model, and this is the SMK Stellar Trek model, and here we have SMK Stellar Samurai. And what you see here is the squad, and what you see here is the this is also a squad, and this is the dynamo, and there are a few other models also here. So coming to the spares of the helmet, this is very important, because not only purchasing a helmet is important, you should also be available with the spares also. So the biggest plus point of SMK helmet is that the spares are always available. There are a lot of dealers across India, so wherever you go, they will surely have the stocks with them, and the prices are also pretty decent. The tinted and other colors of the SMK helmets, they are priced at rupees 500, and the clear visor is priced at around 450, and the clamp kits of these helmets are around 95 rupees, and you even get the pin lock film layer inside, which you see on this helmet, is also available. That costs around 600 to 700 rupees. So these are always available at our store, so you should find it very convenient to purchase it from us. If you like this video, do comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Throttless Pit Stop. And if you like to know more about helmets or videos, please make sure to drop a comment below. We will surely look into that. Thank you.